Alright, so we're back on Howard's 68 Cougar because I kind of ran out of things to do on other cars. So, currently have him just cleaning up all the layers of dirt and grime on this so we can get closer to just, it's kind of while we're here, not doing it later. So I have that going. I'm going to make the 2 brake lines that I need to make here. I think I can save the brake lines that are coming from the front. I don't even think I had to pull those. I had to pull these because we obviously had to pull the axles out and do seals and everything. I mean, what are you doing?
Waiting for you.
And then I'm gonna see if I can fix this. I don't know if there's not enough thread and that's why there's a lug nut. But I would like to actually not have that there, and it's kind of weird. I have other words for it. There's that. And then I'm gonna look into fixing this line because it goes there and then it kind of ends there. So I gotta find the adapter for this. I know we have it because it was in your old tank. I don't remember where I put it. But yeah. So just kind of cleaning, scrubbing everything, getting all the axle fluid that was leaking and everything out of here.